for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Yeah. Dubai, make some noise! You want to see a dance break? Let's do a little dance break with little people. Let's go. Hey, hey. Ha, ha, ha. Sing it if you know it. You should know it. We're rehearsing. Hey, yeah. Hey, 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 1, 2, 3, hey. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Let's go, let's dance. Let's shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid. Hey, left, right, left, right, left. Hey, 1, 2, 3, let's party. Hey, hey, down the front, don't fall off. Shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it. Hey, Thank you very much. Goodbye, sparkly people. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our show. I said hello and one girl goes, see ya, and she just walked away. Are you coming back now? This show's for you specifically. This show is called Expo Unplugged. I will be your host for this evening. My name is James Elmer. We hope you enjoy the show. If you don't enjoy the show, my name is James Corden, so you can tweet him instead. We're so lucky to have you guys here today. I couldn't do the show by myself. We have the greatest singers and dancers from all over the globe. So let me introduce some of them to you right now. To my right, talented, beautiful, rich, funny. These are all attributes I possess. That's Taryn. Can everyone say hi, Taryn?
Hi, Taryn. Hi.
Taryn, are you loving it here in Dubai?
I love Dubai, but you know what I really love? It's all the small things here.
I love all the small things here. They've got great big things and they've got little things as well. Speaking of little things, hi Mav, can everyone say hi Mav?
Hi. Hello everyone.
This is Maverick, small in stature, but one of the biggest hip hop dancers all the way out from the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. There you go. Now I could talk about them all day, or we could just show you something. DJ? Favorite number in the whole show. I love this number. Hey pretty baby with your high heels on, you give me fever like I never ever know. You're just a product of loveliness. I love the feeling you walk, your talk. You up in my car and we'll paint the town. Just kiss me, baby, and tell me twice, 'cause you're the one for me. The way you're making me feel, the way you make me feel, you really turn me on. You turn me on. You knock me off my feet. You knock me off of my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone. Yeah, we're loving it so far. Everyone on this stage is a triple threat. That means they can sing, they can dance, and they can wear sparkly jackets. Even my water bottle is very, very sparkly. Guys, all you have to do is very simple. You have 3 rules just like us. If you're gonna sit there in the audience, If you're going to laugh, laugh very loudly, okay? If you're going to cry, cry quietly. And if you're going to yawn at any time, get out. But there is absolutely no way, unless we're this little kid right here, we're not going to yawn during this performance, because this performance is my favourite number in the whole show. We're working hard. Now this, what we're doing on stage here, you may not be familiar with, but this next number that we want to go into, I think you will be very, very familiar with. This is not my favourite number. This next number is my mum's favourite number, and hopefully yours. Ladies and gentlemen, Mary Poppins.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
But that's not a real word.
Of course it's a real word, and unless I'm very much mistaken, it's going to prove a rather useful one. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious.
If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Go on.
Once I was afraid to speak when I was just a lad. Me father gave me nose a tweak and told me I was bad. But then one day I learned this word that saved me aching nose. The longest word you've ever heard. Gather round, this is how it goes. I'll spell it for you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you Callum for that. That was awesome. We love doing this. I just want to let you guys know that because of COVID and because of this pandemic, we're so lucky to be on stage doing what we're doing right now. And I have to tell you personally, this is the first time I've been back on stage in 33 days in front of you guys. So I'm really, really excited to be here. And that means you're my favorite audience that I've had in 33 days. Apart from my mirror at home in isolation. Anyway, this next number is the best number in the show. In fact, this is my favorite number in the whole show. This is me.
Be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say. No one will love you as you are.